Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find a floating window tutorial on our phone, in Redmi 14X phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to go to the floating window menu. And here we have our tutorial option. So we can tap it once, and at the top we have tutorial explanation with pictures, with video clips basically, and we can look for whatever we want. On the phone we do not need to look for it on Google or YouTube. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.